So here we are at the end of our course. And I started thinking about, when I initially designed this course, I was thinking how powerful it would be for helping professionals to have something like this. And in fact, everybody that I've talked to who is in a helping profession is really interested in having a course like this. And then I actually left Modesto for a brief period of time, wasn't doing any teaching there. And so somebody else was teaching this course, which is kind of funny. Here, I designed it and then I don't even teach it. And then I had the dean contact me and ask me to teach this course when I started teaching as an adjunct again. And so I excitedly put this together online and really didn't have any kind of concept as far as whether or not anybody would enjoy it. And so here we are at the very end, and in reading all of your diligent entries and work, I'm so glad to say that it seems like it was at least somewhat powerful, unless you guys are a bunch of really good BSers. I'm not sure. Anyway, I just wanted to take this time to thank you. I really appreciate your efforts. You guys have done a phenomenal job about being open. And so I truly, truly thank you for your time. I am honored that you are respiratory therapists and will be helping the world to breathe a little bit better. And then I also want you to stay safe and comfortable mentally, emotionally, physically, and spiritually. You have a lot of things that are coming down upon you. You have budget cuts. You have a busy schedule. You have coronavirus. You have a lot of emotional stress, and you have more schooling. And so I ask that you take care of yourself. And remember that if you don't take care of yourself, nobody else will. And if you're not there, then you're no good to anybody else. You are the most important thing in this process. My intention is that you guys go on and think about a master's and think about leading organizations, health organizations. You don't have to do that. You're superior and wonderful as you are right now, but you guys have the talent to do this. You are the next greatest thing out there. And so I just leave you with that and thank you for your time. And if you need me, you know how to get a hold of me. And you can always come visit me down here by the coast in Aptos, California. Much love to you. I thank you for your time. God bless you all.